founder, are you ready to start your content strategy to market your business and your expertise? Well, I'm here to tell you that now is there's never been a better time than right now. Why? Because there's never going to be a better time, and there's always going to be an excuse. So I know it's December. There's lots of things going on. There's family, there's friend, there's enemies and frenemies and events and stuff. But at the end of the day, the activity, the work that you put in right now to position yourself for the new year is going to pay off. And it's important for you to get started, especially with content. I can tell you right now that my ideal customer profile is different today than it was even 2 months ago. And if you follow me for any length of time, you'll probably see, oh, well, wait a minute. First, her ideal customer was this. And I've been niching down as I go, because as soon as I found out some more information to give me a better insight into the customer or the person or the client that most benefits from my product and solution, then I make an adjustment. But the only way you can know to do that is if you're in motion, right? If I wasn't in motion, I would not have identified another characteristic or another type of founder that can benefit from my products and services, right? It's the same thing with you. So just start. It doesn't have to be fancy. I shoot these on my phone, okay? I run them through captions and I pop them up. I know there's some videographers out there who are not happy with me because I know I could be better. And as one told me, they could be way cooler. But at the end of the day, for me, it's just about getting content out and growing and refining my ability, and definitely adding those professionals as the time and budget allows. But you can't hold up your strategy just for that. You have to begin to create content so you can test and see what resonates, what doesn't resonate, what do people want to find out about. You can only do that from a position of motion. And I'm going to be an example myself, because guess what? December is demo December. It's demo December. So starting tomorrow at 1:30 p.m., I am going to every day do a demo of some sort. Now, not just a product demo, a solution demo, right? So I'm going to start with things like, lead generation and lead nurturing using some AI tools. And then it will go all the way to dashboard and reporting and metrics. So you can measure the scalability or the impact of your marketing and investments on your business and scalability. And it's important because it's twofold that I'm doing this. One is I want to kickstart my own self to get going with content and go into the new year in full momentum. But also I want to help you to be able to gain that same momentum. And you'll get that by understanding how the solutions that you need for scalability, how they work. What do they look like? Can I really do this thing? Or maybe you'll get some ideas about things that you can incorporate into your marketing strategy that you hadn't considered. But the point is, I'm going to be out here, and hopefully you'll find some time between now and December 31st to check out some of the content or catch it on the replay, because I'm here to serve, and I'm hoping that this will be beneficial for both you and me. I am Jewel T. Leonard, and I help founders to increase profitability by using high ROI marketing technology to streamline their operations and drive growth.